model, 2016 Renault TRAFIC 1.6 dCi high top spares OR repairs head gasket needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 51,945. Engine, 1,598 cc R9M ENERGY 120E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner head gasket needs replacing, engine has been prepared for head gasket replacement, all of the parts are present and in the back of the van. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: part service history, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.